Do you think inflation is going to pick up over the next several years as demand in the United States and globally begins to pick up? If you do, then mineral stocks may be something for you to consider. The reason is they do well during periods of increasing inflation. Hi, I'm Roger Groh of Groh Asset Management. Today we're here to talk about mineral stocks, what they are, how you can benefit from them, and when in general to buy them or to sell them. As I said before, mineral stocks tend to do well as inflation picks up. If you begin to look at the economic data forecast and you start to see that commodity prices are tightening and the demand for all products is starting to go up, and especially in home building, then you may consider buying into mineral stocks at that point. What that might be? How about oil? Maybe gold, perhaps silver as an example. Where can you buy that kind of thing? Well, if you like gold as an example, there's a company called US Global Investors. You can Google them. And they've been long-term investors in gold. I'm not recommending their stocks, but I am recommending that you go to their website and you look at what they've written over the last 20 years in terms of why you should buy gold or other mineral stocks and when you should buy them and when you should sell them. In addition, Goldman Sachs also has substantial research that you can get, which will detail specific funds that you can buy or mineral stocks that you can buy where you can benefit in an increasing inflationary environment. At the moment, where we have prices continuing to go down in most commodities, we've all seen the price of oil go in half over the last year. We've seen copper, gold, most other prices go down. It's probably not the best time to buy. On the other hand, these things are cyclical. So you have to buy them when they're bombed out and they're low. And you have to sell them when they go up a lot, because eventually they'll go back down. Are we at the bottom? I'm not sure yet. That's going to have to be your call. But be very careful. There's great volatility investing in here. It's hard to make money when you're trading as opposed to buying for the longer term. Other things to consider when you're investing: you can buy mutual funds which invest in the minerals. On the other hand, you can also buy companies which actually mine them, especially Canadian companies, where there's a tremendous amount of natural gas and gold and copper exploration going on in Canada and in Alaska, even though there are Canadian companies operating in Alaska. Specific names? Well, I'm going to leave that up to you and your broker. Do your homework on this. They're very volatile and you have to be careful. I'm Roger Groh. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me, and I hope you learned a little bit about buying mineral stocks.